So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing this mannequin head from Amazon. So here's all the information provided, letting you know the length of the hair, which is 26 by 28 inches long, light color brown, which I find more of just a dirty blonde look. So you're able to cut the hair, you can curl it, updos, styles, and sets. But because of this type of synthetic hair, you cannot color or bleach it. This doll also comes with a free table clamp. Let's go ahead and unbox this mannequin head. Here's the free clamp provided, so you can clamp it onto your table to hold up your mannequin head for styling. We'll continue with the clamp at the end of this video. So here is our mannequin head. Let's take a quick review over it and see what my thoughts are. So I'm a professional hair cosmetologist, and I want to compare this mannequin head to a real mannequin head doll. So the mannequin head on the left has real hair. The one that I'm holding has synthetic. So the real hair mannequin is 20 years old already. As you can see, the hair has been cut and it's been well used. So let's review over both of these mannequins. Looking at this synthetic new mannequin, it looks like all the hair direction faces towards the face. This is just the way they punched in all the synthetic hairs. As you can see, the direction of the hair wants to move forward. I'm also feeling little spikes. So I see when they punch in the hair, they actually leave some of the ends still sticking out. Even though this mannequin head doll is still great for updos and anyone beginning on learning how to do hair. It's very long and shiny, and as you can see, it does need a trim. So the real mannequin hair doll was the same length at one time. The difference is with a real mannequin hair doll and a synthetic hair doll is price and quality. As you can see, the hair on the scalp is very thick and lifelike. Makes it easier for styling, cutting, and coloring. As this doll, I can color. Now here's a closer look at the synthetic hair on this mannequin head. You can see the mannequin hair is pushing to one direction. And quality control isn't the neatest. You can see all the punctures on the forehead, around the hairline. Again, this is not a big deal if you're just using it for online videos or updos. Here you can see the little bits of hair sticking out from the scalp. This is all over the mannequin head. This is just the way they inserted the hairs, leaving the head feeling a little spiky. And another look along the hairline. This is right behind the ears. And this is the center of the top of the head. This is the nape of the mannequin head, and as you can see, if you're doing updos, your little hairs will stick out. So here we are looking back at the original real hair mannequin head. As you can see, the hair on the scalp is evenly portioned and there's no spiky hair sticking out. The hairline looks nice and clean. This makes a really great mannequin hair quality doll. Here is the face of the synthetic haired doll. The face isn't too bad. If you want to change the eye color, you can. Here I'm just going to brush it and we'll see how smooth it is to brush. As I'm brushing, you can see the hair by the roots want to stay in the one direction. I am finding it easy to brush. Glides very smooth and easily. Now on this synthetic hair doll, I tried doing some updos, but I found that the hair was very stiff and the bobby pins always slid out because the hair is so smooth and doesn't bend very well. This doll is great for braiding hair as it seems easy and smooth to braid. So I just gave the mannequin head a quick wash to remove any of the factory debris. So after brushing the hair, here is what my brush looks like. It has a little bit of mannequin hair in it, which is normal. Here we're back with the table clamp to mount your doll on. So it's just made out of a harder plastic. You just insert that into there and you turn it onto the base where it clamps onto the table. Now comparing the free one to the Danico one from Professional Hair Salon, you can see the difference. Personally, I prefer the Danico one, but it does cost a lot more. So my review on this mannequin head doll is, quality-wise, I was not completely happy with it. But then you look at the price, where I think I spent only around $30 for this doll. And if you're not too worried and you just want to do some updos, then this doll is okay to use. Also, if you're just learning how to cut hair, but I would not recommend to use professional cutting scissors on the synthetic hair doll. For myself, trying to do updos on this doll was very frustrating, as the hair did not want to stay where I wanted to pin it. You can also use hot tools in this doll's hair, but making sure that your tools are not too hot. You can still melt the synthetic hair if you're not careful. I will link another video in this video showing how it looks after I curled the doll's hair using hot tools. And if you don't like the eye color, you can always change it. I will link that video in this video as well once it is up. So if you're looking to purchase this doll, I hope this video helps you on your decision. You may have different opinions and may like this doll. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for all new videos. Thanks for watching.